Alright, so with so many people being out of work and struggling financially because of our current economic situation due to coronavirus, we found a simple and easy way for you to make an extra $250 and more if you decide to do so every single week by simply doing something you're already doing anyways. So stick around for today's video because this is going to be a good one. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up everybody? Brian here, Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome back to the Revenue Pro Tips channel, where we bring you information, tips, and even online based opportunities to help you get your money right within your personal and or your business finance. So if you like making money, you need to make some money just to get by, or you want to stack on some additional sources of income, then stick around and also make sure that you subscribe by hitting the little red subscribe button below and the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss when we bring you new content, as we do every single week, multiple times a week. Alright, so in today's video, guys, we are getting into an easy and simple opportunity to help you start generating at least $250 and more if you choose to do so every single week. You know, right now we're in a tough economic situation due to this whole coronavirus thing that's going on. You know, whether you believe it or not, many people are struggling because of this financially. And you know, we know that with over 7 billion people around, 7.5 billion people around the world, you know, almost 60% of those people have internet access, are active internet users, all right? And nearly 5.6 billion searches on Google alone every single day, guys. So we know people are searching for, you know, different terms out there. And today we're talking about how you can make an additional $250 or more every single week. And that's really on the low end of things, guys. But you can do this every single week by becoming a search engine evaluator. All right, this is the opportunity that's out there for anyone with internet access. You can do this from anywhere in the world. And as I mentioned, you know, there's plenty of opportunity. You know, many people might say, well, you know, there's bots and all these things in terms of computers and all the different ways in which these companies can get information and help people find what they need through these search engines. However, the bots and all these things cannot do everything, and they do miss things from time to time, and that's why they need people like you and I to go in there and to help. Basically, what the idea behind the search engine evaluator is someone who goes in there and does searches for these companies, right? And what you're looking for is to make the user experience as simple as possible when people are typing in search terms and things like that on the Bings, the Googles, the Yahoos, right? They're looking for people like you to help the customer, basically the person who's doing these searches, to get relevant information and that suits their needs and gives them exactly what they're looking for with the easiest experience possible, okay? And so that's where you come in. Now, in terms of the companies and how you become a search engine evaluator, guys, well, as you can see here, we're taking a look at a website called Appen.com, okay? Now, Appen.com is one of many, and I'll also show you some more here that you can see here. This is Glassdoor, all right? But you can take a look at this, right, and see there's multiple opportunities for search engine evaluators provided by multiple third-party companies. And these companies, again, are working with the big search engines like Bing, Google, Yahoo, and others, okay? And I'll also show you that if you're wondering how much a search engine evaluator gets paid, well, I'll show you here. According to Glassdoor.com, the average is over $36,000 for a search engine evaluator. You know, most people are making, I think the average is 15 to or 12 to 15 bucks. But at $36,000, $36,000+ a year, you're talking about $19 per hour, okay? So, you know, there's plenty of opportunities, guys. This is, again, we just looked at Appen.com. Appen.com is a site in which you can find also other opportunities out there, but this is just one that I wanted to share with you guys today to let you know that if you're looking for an opportunity, you know, there's talks currently as we speak of states shutting down here in the United States, at least due to the coronavirus, for the second time, right? We went through a phase where we were shut down for a month, 2 months, something like that, right? And now most states, if not all, I believe, have opened up in the United States. But as we speak right now, I know Texas has just shut down everything for the second time due to this whole virus outbreak thing. So again, if you are looking for opportunity, whether you're working or not, if you need to stack on some additional money, this is a great opportunity. Aside from the whole coronavirus lockdown thing, this is just something that's out there, and this is something I want to share with many people, because just like other opportunities we share here on our Revenue Pro Tips channel, guys, these are things that people are already doing, that you're probably already doing right now, okay? Is searching for things on the internet. And if you can help, if you can make money by helping companies and other people get the things they need, right? The easiest experience possible, why would you not do it, okay? Again, this is not taking you away from anything you're already doing. This is just something you can add on to the side. And again, I said, we're talking about a minimum of a couple $100 per week, right? We're talking $1,000 minimum per month that you can do something on a part-time, sometime basis. Or for those of you who are really hungry and see this as a great opportunity, can do it even more frequently, all right? Making a lot more money in the process. And again, this is something that is offered, as we looked at, and as I mentioned, this is something that you see is provided by multiple companies, okay? So, you can do it for app, and you can also register for other companies to be a search engine evaluator, all right? So I hope you guys have liked this video. I hope you have gotten great value from it and you see an opportunity. If you have seen an opportunity, make sure you sign up at Appen and these other sites out there. Get to making some money, guys. With that said, make sure you hit the little thumbs up button for us if you liked the video, if you gotten great value. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We want to keep on bringing you more great content, great videos. With that said, if you're looking for a solid, legitimate, online-based opportunity, make sure you click that first link in the description below. I promise you're going to love what you see and the value that is there, because we're going to teach you how to build basically a legit, scalable, fundamental base with a very great upside in terms of income for you. A great business, online business, guys. So click that first link in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, anything to add, leave a comment below. And that is it. Make sure you follow us on all social media at Revenue Pro Tips, which is somewhere on the side here on this video, on all social media platforms. And this is Brian. We'll see you next week. Peace.